I'm Dan Wind. It's Truck Month at Wilson Wind Ford and Washington Ford, and now is the time to save big on Ford F-Series, the #1 selling truck in America for 40 years straight. Save 11 grand on a Ford F-150 4x4 XLT Crew Cab and 10 grand on a Ford F-150 STX Super Cab. Plus, get a no-charge bed liner included. It's definitely Truck Month at Pittsburgh's family-owned and award-winning Ford dealerships for 38 years, Wilson Wind Ford and Washington Ford. For more choices, more information, and better prices, visit windauto.com.